Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Sam's Biology. In this video, I will discuss about sex-limited gene or sex-limited trait. So when a trait is limited to one sex only, then this trait is called sex limited trait. When a gene is present in both sexes but expressed only in one sex, then this gene is called sex limited gene. Suppose this is gene A gene, and this is present in female, and same gene A is present in male, but this gene is not expressed in female. In case of male, it is expressed and it causes a trait. It causes a trait. So this gene, now you can see that this A gene is present in both sexes. It is present in male and female. But this gene, A gene, is expressed only in male. So this gene will be called sex limited gene, and trait that is caused by this gene causes this trait is called sex limited trait. Example of this sex limited gene or trait is beard controlling genes. In case of male and female, both these beard controlling genes are present. The gene for this beard are present on both male and female, but they are expressed only in male. In case of female, they are not expressed. But gene for beard are present in both male and female. They are expressed only in male because in male a hormone that is called androgen. This hormone is present in male, and this androgen hormone activates these beard controlling genes. But in case of female, this androgen hormone is absent. So this gene is not expressed. So male is with beards, but female is without beards. But both have gene. So this gene, beard controlling gene, this gene is sex limited gene. That is expressed only in male, and these sex limited genes are present on autosomes. They are not present on sex chromosome, and they are found in both sexes but expressed only in one sex. So this trait beard is sex limited trait, and beard controlling genes are sex limited genes. Similarly, in case of mammals, milk secreting genes, these genes are present in both female and male but expressed only in female. They are not expressed in case of male. So these genes, these are sex limited genes, and this milk trait is secretion of milk is called sex limited trait. So sex limited gene are the gene that are present on both male and female but expressed only in one sex. These genes are present on autosomes found on both sexes but expressed only in one sex. So these are called sex limited genes, and trait that is caused by these genes is called sex limited trait. So that is sex limited gene or sex limited trait.